Hi, I'm Julia from Craft Travel, and I'm going to show you how I packed for my 3-day safari in Thorny Bush Game Reserve in South Africa. So the key for packing for safari is always layering. Normally what I will bring, my number one safari possession, is my Barber hunting jacket. This is really amazing. It's great for all temperatures. Another two of my prized safari wardrobe possessions are my chambray oversized long sleeve shirt and a khaki one that's very similar. And then what I like to do as kind of my basics is have one or two pairs of kind of loose safari pants that you can wear with a casual shirt, or you can kind of maybe dress up with something like this. I have a nice vest. I just bought this. I really like it. So here's an example of the types of t-shirts I would usually bring on safari. I tend to bring one more t-shirt for the number of days of my safaris. A hat is pretty much a must-have for safari. You're going to be out in the sun and you really want to give yourself some protection. Last part are shoes. These are my must-have for safari. It's not really necessary for like hiking or doing anything too strenuous, but they do provide great coverage against bugs. Well, that was how I packed for my 3-day safari to Kamara House in Thorny Bush Game Reserve. I hope it was helpful. Reach out to me or any of the safari specialists on the craft team for everything you need to know about safari.